lighting up the way. Valley Electric Association.
Well, we started this a few years ago, and we actually copied my grandfather who did this back in the 60s. But we wanted to make sure we brought the office around the state into the community so we understand what's going on and so that our office can make sure we're doing the best we can to serve the people.
How often do you do these?
We go around the state once a year.
And so you visited Pahrump today?
We did. We spent most of the day here. We were able to tour Valley Electric as well as the Speedway, meet with some business owners, and now we've obviously met a lot of Pahrumpians today, and then we're looking forward to speaking to the Rotary Club about what our office does and taking input from the community. So my grandfather, as some of you may know, was governor of Nevada in the 60s. And he started this concept that was called Capital for a Day Tour. And he would bring all the cabinet secretaries from the entire state around Nevada so that they could actually be in touch with the communities. And I can tell you it's been incredibly successful for us to go around and be able to hear from everyone all across the state and try to make sure our office is receptive to what's going on out there.
So my title is Special Assistant Attorney General for Law Enforcement, Counties, and Municipalities, which fits on my business card if you want to know. We took a while to discover what my title would be. And what that means is I work with all the law enforcement agencies in the state. That's the Highway Patrol, that's your sheriff, it's the chief of police, anybody else who has a peace officer training. I work with them, I train them. I work with all the counties, your county commissioners, your city council people, town boards, anybody in government I work with. It's my government outreach job.
I personally oversee gaming on a day-to-day basis, so we represent the Gaming Control Board, Gaming Commission, Gaming Policy Committee. I oversee the Natural Resources and Government Affairs, or Government Affairs Division, which deals with water. It's the state engineer. That's NDEP. And I also oversee boards and open government. That's a division, and it includes representation of all of what we call Title 54.
I'm responsible for all the criminal investigations done by the Attorney General's office statewide. I have 50 sworn investigators, 4 compliance investigators, and 7 or 8 professional support employees. So I have roughly 60 people that I'm responsible.
We got a good picture of just how talented and good these folks are that work for me. You know, we couldn't do all the successes we've had without a really strong leadership team that's been able to help guide this office and help able to accomplish all these tasks. So thank you very much for your time. Really appreciate it. We're going to hang out if you guys have any other questions after your Rotary meeting. Appreciate it.